In this video, I'm going to show you how to track sales and purchases for a product or service in Wave. Start by heading over to your Wave dashboard. Before tracking transactions, ensure that your products and services are properly set up. Products and services in Wave are categorized into two types: items you purchase and items you sell. To view the products or services you purchase, click on the Purchases option from the left-hand menu and select Products and Services. Here you will see all products or services you purchase from your vendors, for which you create bills and record payments. You can add new products or services from this section, as well as delete or edit existing ones. To see products or services that you sell, click on the Sales and Payments option from the left-hand menu and select Products and Services. This will display all items you sell to customers via invoices. Similar to purchases, you can add, edit, or delete products or services here. To edit an item, click on the pencil icon. For example, I will edit a video editing service. In the editing section, ensure that all account information is correct, as this is essential for tracking sales accurately. The product or service edit page includes basic information such as name, description, and price, and allows you to select whether the item is sold, purchased, or both. For sales, choose the correct income account to track revenue. If necessary, you can add more accounts using the plus icon. Similarly, enable the buying option and select the appropriate expense account. Once all changes are made, click Save. If an item is marked as both sold and purchased, it will appear in both sections. To track sales or purchases, go to the Reports option from the left-hand menu, select Profit and Loss, then click Details and choose a page such as Sales. Enter the exact name of the income or expense account associated with the product or service, then click Update Report. This will display all transactions related to the product, showing how many sales or purchases were made. You can click on individual transactions for more details. Note that if you change accounts after transactions are recorded, it may cause display issues, so always set accounts correctly before tracking. And this is how you can track sales and purchases for a product or service in Wave.